Hi everyone, I'm Valentine Lewis, and today I am going to review the Lepro E1 outdoor lights. Yes, these ones that you are putting all over your house, and they look absolutely amazing. These lights are different from others because they are letting you to talk to them, like have a chat with it through the built-in AI. Guys, let's get started with a deep review of Lepro E1 Smart Outdoor Lights. So if you've ever wanted permanent outdoor lighting for holidays, parties, game days, or just everyday curb appeal without ever climbing a ladder again, these lights are honestly such a game changer. These are the Lepro E1 AI permanent outdoor lights, and what makes them so different is how customizable, smart, and creative they are. The AI lighting designer in the Lepro app is what sold me immediately. Instead of scrolling through presets or manually picking colors, you literally just tell the app what you want, and it creates multiple lightning scenes in seconds. And if you keep on scrolling, it will create even more scenarios for you. Now, I tried a bunch of random ideas just to test it, and the results were insane. So first of all, I used the example that the app itself was offering, cyberpunk lights, and instantly got multiple neon, futuristic lightning patterns. I had so many different options to choose from how I want them, and it absolutely drove me crazy. It was an amazing experience. You literally has endless options, and if you're out of option, you just, as I said, keep on scrolling, and it will load even more options for you, from flashing, from being constant, any type of lights. You just simply choose what works best for me, and if there is something you like the most, you can always save it to your favorite templates to keep it for a future immediate access through the smart app. Now, I also asked AI for Mars lights, and it created this warm reddish desert atmosphere. I absolutely loved it, and of course for each scene you have the options to choose from how you would like it to appear at the lights in real time. Now guys, stay tuned since it even gets better. I uploaded a random photo from my gallery just to see if it could handle something completely unrelated, just something completely random. And yes, it generated lightning scenes. I also tested moods and more conversational prompts. I said, I feel happy today, show me happy lights. And it instantly created bright, energetic, beautiful colors. I also asked for 4th of July, USA, and Christmas Eve tree lights. And every single time, the lightning was matching my requests perfectly. My favorite part is that it doesn't just give one scene, it gives multiple versions that you can preview and pick from. Now, another huge advantage is that every single light is individually addressable, so you're not stuck with one color across the whole line. Every bulb can be different, which means gradients, animations, themed patterns, and effects that actually look custom and professional. You can also switch to normal white lighting and even tune it anywhere from a cozy, warm 2200K amber glow to a bright 6500K daylight tone for everyday use or security lighting. Now guys, let's talk about installation. I was actually surprised by how straightforward it is if you prepared properly. The adhesive backing is legit strong, and the 3M tape sticks even on textured surfaces. But prepping the surface makes a huge difference. So before installing, wipe the area with a towel or alcohol to remove dust. If it's cold outside, warming the surface with a hairdryer helps the tape grip better. I also recommend laying everything out first, measure your eaves, mark cut points if you need them, and test spacing with tape before committing. And if you want extra security, you can also add screws. That's what we did after sticking the strip. Totally optional, but great if you live in a place with extreme weather. Once they're up, you are done once and forever. These are designed to stay installed all year around. They're fully waterproof and built to handle snow, summer heat, wind, and temperatures from -4 degrees by Fahrenheit all the way up to 140 degrees by Fahrenheit. No swapping lights for holidays, no storage boxes. Just change the theme in the app and your house instantly look decorated. You also get smart features like timers, schedules, music sync, and even Alexa and Google Control, Bluetooth setup, and full Wi-Fi app control when you are away. So whether it's cyberpunk neon, Christmas magic, 4th of July, or any other custom design based on your selfie, or just a warm, clean, everyday lighting for your street, for your front yard. All this feels like the future of outdoor home lighting, and it honestly makes decorating effortless. Guys, I truly hope you enjoyed this review of mine. Please let me know your opinion down below at the comments. And guys, this is Black Friday, so obviously best price is right now. If you want to save some money of yours, if you don't like to overpay just like me, if you feel absolutely amazing and it make your day to get a good discount, to save some money and to buy it for way less than any author can, well, I will leave you all the coupon codes, all the promotions, all the Black Friday sales, all the discount codes, any possible way to save some money gonna be listed down below at the description box to this video of mine, so be so very sure to check it out. As well as, of course, I'm gonna leave you a direct link to buy these Lepro E1 permanent outdoor lights with AI, and you can get them directly from Amazon or from their original website, whatever works best for you. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video of mine. Be so very sure to check Lepro out. They also have so many different other options and other models of lights, so it's definitely worth it to just go and check them out. That was actually all for today. Please let me know your opinion down below at the comments and subscribe for more, and give this video a huge thumbs up if you liked it, if it was helpful for you, maybe at least the installation part. Well guys, I'll see you all in my next videos. I love you all. XOXO Valentine.